Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have what you need. Start now. First, confirm your plan allows tethering and that you have sufficient data. Once verified, open Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot, toggle it on, and create a strong Wi-Fi password. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled for quick pairing or plug a lightning cable for a direct USB link when available. This sequence starts the sharing process immediately, and it reduces interference, so you can provide a secure, encrypted connection to other devices straight away. Now connect your other device. On a laptop or tablet, choose the iPhone's Wi-Fi network name and enter that password. You'll be online immediately. If you prefer Bluetooth, pair the devices. Pairing handles discovery and conserves battery compared with Wi-Fi. For a wired link, connect the lightning cable, tap Trust if prompted, and allow Personal Hotspot over USB. Once done, monitor the iPhone's status bar to confirm a client is connected and make sure background apps aren't using excessive data. To finish, watch data and battery. Personal Hotspot can drain both, so turn it off when you're done. If someone else used your hotspot, change the Wi-Fi password and limit how many devices may join. If a device won't connect, first toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then restart both devices. If that fails, reset network settings via Settings General Reset. It clears saved networks and often resolves stubborn pairing or IP issues. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes the common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.